chicks find bugs to chase, running in a silly race. Round the garden, round the farm, safe and sound from any harm. Little chicks at bedtime yawn, nestle close from dusk to dawn. Under stars so big and bright, cuddle up and say goodnight. Little chicks wake with a peep, stretching wings from restful sleep. The rooster crows cock-a-doodle-doo, a brand new